So, traders, as you guys have already saw the thumbnail, I just want to get straight to it and update you guys, but to not only update you guys, but to also educate you guys. But before we start, forgive me for not showing up on time. I was still cooking up some food outside of Forex trading, outside the charts, but we back at it. And on today's video, like you saw the thumbnail, I just want to update you guys and make you guys understand what we might look to encounter today based on NFP and FOMC, because today's day will be one of the most volatile days that I've ever experienced as a trader, because we have NFP and FOMC on the same fucking day. But before we hit the video, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, hit that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and highly recommend trading on a safe platform, a legit broker in a good and safe broker, a book, never a B book. And for the most part of it, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. So I have my number down below, my Instagram link, my Telegram link, my WhatsApp link. You're gonna choose which do you want to communicate with me so we can chop it up, so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems, all the knowledge, and for the most part, all the secrets that those many traders don't want you to know. But because I'm the realist, I'm just gonna share them to you so you can be a beginner to professional and from unprofitable to profitable. But let me not say much. Let's just see the charts and let me share to you guys what we might look to encounter within the two fundamentals that we have today. So as you guys can clearly see the NAS structure on NASDAQ, we stated that all we're gonna be focusing on from Monday will be something very simple. We wouldn't be looking for much, but all we're going to be focusing on is to see price giving us a break above this resistance to look for possible continuations to the upside, or a fail to break, which is a retest below, to look for those moves to the downside. So the market's played out as I've anticipated within our weekly trading outlook. But today is Thursday, and I just want to update you guys and share to you guys what we might look to encounter. But be mindful of one thing: this is never financial advice. This is just anticipations and opinions based on my trading experiences and my level of knowledge that I have within the forex industry or the forex markets. So Nasdaq, what we're going to be focusing on today based on NFP and FOMC. As you guys can clearly see, the price gave us a fail to break above our resistance, and with a fail to break, price gave us this intraday low. With an intraday low, price is now giving us a high, right? So on those very same high, what we're going to be focusing on Nasdaq is it's practically two things, or technically two things. One of the main ones is a break above this very same zone to look for those possible continuations to the upside, or a fail to break to look for those moves to the upside with a clean bear behavior, right? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and a lower high if price will give us a fail to break with those moves to the downside. And that's all we're going to be focusing on Nasdaq, and that's all we're going to be looking forward into. If price gives us a break above our resistance, we look for possible continuations to the upside, or those moves to the upside. But if price gives us a break below, then I guess price is still holding a bear behavior. Then I guess we're going to look for those moves to the downside, and that's all we're going to be focusing on NAS 100. But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. In gold, there's nothing that I can say to you guys, because based on our weekly trading outlook, we did state that where price is currently trading, there's only two things that we need: a fill to break or a break below. And as you can clearly see, price hasn't traded within our POI, right? And if price doesn't reach our POI, then we don't put our money to work. But if it happens that price reaches our POI, then we're gonna wait and see what will price do based on what price is showing us. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. And USD CAD might be same as gold, because USD CAD also stated that we're either looking for a break above or a fill to break. And as you can clearly see, price hasn't touched our POI. Until price trades either above or below our POI, that's when we're going to put our money to work. If not, then we won't do anything about those two pairs, which is gold and USD CAD. Do you guys get that? So as I've shared to you guys the knowledge and as I've updated you guys and as I've gave you what you need so you can go out there and capitalize, all I ask of you is to share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational content. And for the most part of it, be mindful of one thing. COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I have my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, or any source of communication tool. You got just gonna give me a call, give me a DM, or give me a WhatsApp text so we can chop it up and so I can come to you for 2 days to change your trading for the good and the better. But without further ado, this is boy Harlan, King COT, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.